Hi everyone, welcome to DMR tutorials. In the last capsule, we have discussed about the rational numbers and types of rational numbers. How can you convert unlike rational numbers into like rational numbers and all. Now in this module, in this capsule, let us discuss how can you arrange the given rational numbers in the ascending or in the descending order. And to arrange the given rational numbers in the ascending or in the descending order, we have two important steps. The first and most important step is convert the given rational numbers into the like form. So convert all the given rational numbers into the form of like rational numbers. If the denominators of the given rational numbers are same, fine. Otherwise, convert them into the form of like like rational numbers. After converting all the rational numbers into like rational numbers, then arrange the rational numbers in the ascending or in the descending order of their numerators as per the given requirement. If they asked in the question, if it is asked to arrange them in the ascending order, arrange all the rational numbers in the increasing order of or in the ascending order of their numerators. In the question, if it is asked to arrange them in the descending order, arrange the rational numbers in such a way that they are in the descending order of their numerators. And that itself is the arranging the rational numbers in the ascending or in the descending order. Let us have a small example, a simple example based on this concept. Arrange the given rational numbers in the ascending order. The numbers are 2 by 5, minus 1 by 15, 3 by 10 and minus 4 by 25. It is clear that the denominators are all different. So first of all, you have to convert them into the form of like rational numbers. What is the LCM of 5, 15, 10 and 25? First you find the LCM of 5, 15, 10 and 25. Here 5 ones, 3s, 2s, 5s and no common factor. So LCM is 10, 30, 150. So everywhere you have to get the denominator 150. So first of all, 2 by 5. To convert 5 as 150, you have to multiply with 30. Minus 1 by 15, here 10, here also 10, 3 by 10. To convert 10 into 150, you have to multiply with 15 and last is minus 4 by 25. 25 to be converted to the form of 50, 150 is 6. So if you go for the simplification, 32s are 60 by 150 minus 10 by 150 45 by 150, 24 by 150. Now they are all like fractions. That means you have converted all the fractions as like fractions. Now let us compare the numerators and arrange the fractions in the ascending order of numerators. Ascending order means small value to big value. Among all these numerators, the smallest numerator is minus 24. The smallest numerator is minus 24. Let us write this first. Minus 24 by 150. Next one is minus 10 by 150. Next is 45 by 150 and 60 by 150. So now we have arranged the rational numbers in the ascending order of their numerators. Now 24 by 150. 24 by 150 is nothing but minus 4 by 25. Minus 10 by 150 is nothing but minus 1 by 5. Next, 45 by 150 is nothing but 3 by 10. And last one is 2 by 5. So this is the ascending order of the given rational numbers. So the steps are converting into like rational numbers, arranging them in the ascending order of the numerators, and interpreting the final answer.